A new school year is underway. Hi everyone, I'm your host Maria Silva and I'm outside right now, the brand new Red Rock Elementary School. Just take a look at this beautiful school. Although the building is brand new, this school is in the heart of Las Vegas and it has a lot of history. Here at Student Spotlight, we've been documenting the years-long school replacement process, from tear down to temporary classrooms to this beautiful building. Now get ready to see the excitement of the first day of school at this brand new building and a look back at the journey to get there.
I'm excited to have the halls filled. I'm excited to have our students make this school theirs.
So I'm excited to meet my teachers and see what the classroom looks like.
I like how everything is new and how I can get a fresh start.
So Red Rock Elementary opened in 1955, and our last school year on our original site was the 2022-2023 school year. So the shape of the school when it closed was really run down. I mean, we often had electricity issues, we often had HVAC issues, we didn't have the updated facilities. We still had asbestos in some of our walls, so it really did need to be updated for the students.
Good morning, Red Rock Roadrunners. Today is Monday, May 22nd, 2023. It is the last day of school for the current Red Rock Elementary. It's Sherlock Holmes Day.
So next year we'll be moving to a temporary school that our children will be bused to, and then we'll have school there for a year, and then we'll be back on our new campus in 1 year.
We may be transitioning for a year and coming back, but Red Rock is still Red Rock no matter where we are.
Goodbye, Red Rock. Well, you know, they say your home is where you are and your heart is. And Red Rock, although our building is gone, that love and that spirit is live, you know, it's here.
I just feel really excited to go to a brand new school, even though it's kind of in the same school.
There will be a lot more places for the kids to play, a lot more textures, a courtyard in the center that can be used for outside learning. So I'm just really excited about all the opportunities we'll be able to have for education at the new site. When you walk up to the building and you see it, it's beautiful, and you realize that's your school. So often in our lower income communities, the schools look completely different than a school you might find in Henderson or Summerlin. And so being able to offer them a top-notch, top-of-the-line school in their community shows how much we value them and how much they are worth that kind of effort and beauty.
It's just been a joy ride. It really has been a roller coaster, but at the same time, it's like, it comes with ups and downs, brought a lot of smiles. We learned a lot about ourselves. We learned that we're a very strong-knit community within our school. Our staff love each other, and you know, you learn that teamwork does make the dream work.
What an amazing school community and an absolutely beautiful 83,000 square foot campus. I've been touring it.